Hey there, future coder! Standing at the crossroads of Java and Python can feel overwhelming, like picking your starter Pokemon, but for your tech journey. So, which path should you take? Let's break it down and make this choice way easier. First up, Python. This language is like the comfy sneakers of programming, easy to slip into, and you can go far with it fast. Python's clean syntax means you spend less time worrying about weird punctuation and more time actually building things. Trust me, if you want quick wins like automating boring tasks or jumping into data science, Python is the way to go. It's also a favorite in the AI world, and it has a super supportive online community. Stuck on a bug? Someone out there has already solved it and probably wrote a blog post about it too. But what about Java? Think of Java as the reliable workhorse. It's a bit more complex, but it pays off big time if you're aiming for a career in enterprise software, Android apps, or huge back-end systems. Java is strict about structure and object-oriented programming, which might make your head spin at first, but it's a fantastic foundation for learning how big software projects work. Plus, once you master Java, picking up other languages feels way less intimidating. Now let's talk about learning curves. Python keeps things simple, which means you can start writing useful code in your first week. Java makes you think more about how your code is organized, which is a good skill, but it can slow down your early progress. If instant gratification is your thing, Python has your back. If you're ready for a more structured challenge, Java's your guy. Career-wise, both languages open doors. Python is everywhere, from startups building cool web apps to researchers pushing the frontiers of AI. Java dominates in big companies, finance, and anywhere stability and scale matter. No matter what, employers love seeing either language on your resume. Here's my advice. If you want to see results fast, build small projects, or get into data science or automation, grab Python and run with it. If you dream of building Android apps, working at a big company, or understanding how massive systems work, start with Java. But honestly, the best language is the one you'll stick with. Don't stress too much about making the perfect choice. Dive in, start building, and let your interests guide you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and for the full blog post, check out the link in the description. Happy coding!